Today I'm gonna make for you some delicious sun-dried tomato kale chips in the Sedona Supreme Dehydrator. I'm also gonna make a coating for the kale chips in the Vitamix, all right? So really simple to do. Let's get started. So in the Vitamix here, I'm gonna put in half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. Delicious, so good for you. I've got 1 cup of pine nuts. You can use cashews, you know, pine nuts can be a little bit expensive. And I've also got 2/3 of a cup of water. Okay, just to thin that out a bit. I've also got the juice of 1 lemon. Just gonna put that straight in. And I've got some Italian herbs. Okay, so this is about 1 teaspoon and about the same of garlic powder. In it goes. That's it, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lock my lid into place. I might need to add a little bit more water. We'll just see how the coating blends up. Okay, so I've just finished mixing my coating right through the kale chips. And it's looking pretty good. So now what I want to do, I want to lay all of this out onto my dehydrator trays here. Okay, you don't have to fuss too much about this. It's pretty simple. Literally just want a little bit on each tray. Do that as quickly as I can here. And out on this 3rd tray here as well. Just want to spread it out, you know, you don't want bits of kale sitting on top of each other. And that's looking pretty good. Now I'm going to put my kale chips into the Sedona Supreme Dehydrator, just like so. Put the other trays in, you get the idea. Close that up, and I'm going to dehydrate that on about 45 degrees for 3 to 5 hours. Probably about 5 hours to get it nice and crisp, okay? And here is one I made earlier, or a few I made earlier. Absolutely beautiful, look at that. Hear how crunchy and crisp that is. Such a good, nutritious snack. Even the kids will love. Happy dehydrating.